You might not realize this, but your haircut could be the reason your face looks weaker, rounder, or just plain average. The wrong cut kills your facial structure. It hides your jawline, shrinks your frame, and erases that masculine edge. But here's the thing. The right haircut can literally transform how your bone structure looks. And in this video, I'm breaking down 6 crucial points that'll show you exactly how to get the perfect haircut for a god face. Let's fix your face. Starting from the top, most men mess this up. They get a high fade that makes their head look top-heavy and their jawline disappear. This destroys proportions. But it emphasizes the cranium, not the face. You end up looking boyish, not dominant. Get a mid-fade or low taper that follows your natural head shape. This keeps structure and draws attention downward, right to the eyes and jaw. Side-by-side comparison of bad versus balanced fade. Forget the over-tucked high fade trend. Wet, it's killing your symmetry. Flat, lifeless hair is the visual equivalent of bad posture. It screams low testosterone. When your hair sits too close to your scalp, it makes your face look wider and rounder, the opposite of the angular god face aesthetic. Add controlled volume on top using a matte texture powder or pre-styling spray to lift your roots. I've linked my go-to volume product in the description. Zero Shine will lift. You'll notice your face instantly looks taller and more sculpted. A receding or uneven hairline subtly destroys your facial harmony. It can age you 5 years overnight. Most guys try to cover it up by growing their hair forward, but that just accentuates the weakness. Keep the hairline clean and tight. Use a precision trimmer to define the temples and midline weekly. Zoom in on temple contour shape versus unshaped. Stop hiding it, frame it. That contrast actually boosts facial definition. Perfectly slick flat hair looks plastic, unnatural. It's the opposite of that rugged aesthetic masculinity women are drawn to. Flat texture creates uniform lighting on the scalp, which removes depth and kills bone definition. Go for controlled matte texture, a messy but intentional. Ask your barber for razor cut layering or point cutting for natural depth and skip the greasy pomades. They reflect light and flatten your volume. Link below is my preferred matte clay. Lalit holds zero shine. Most men copy whatever's trending. The TikTok cut, the wolf cut. But your haircut should amplify your facial ratios, not fight them. Square face, slightly longer. Top, tight. Sides, round face. Sharp fade with vertical volume. Long face, softer sides to balance height. Once you understand how to tailor your hair to your structure, you're engineering your face. Not guessing. Morph of 3 face shapes with correct versus wrong haircut overlay. This is where real Looksmaxxing begins. Not with gimmicks but precision. Here's the truth. No haircut alone will save you. You can have the best fade in the world, but if your posture, grooming, and lifestyle are weak, your face will still look tired. The god face isn't about genetics. It's about refinement. Every cut, every detail, every small upgrade compounds. When you start treating your look like a discipline, not an accident, that's when people notice. That's when you become aesthetic. If you want the god face, start with your hair, master your structure, and refine every edge. Check the links in the description for the products I personally recommend. They'll level you up fast, and of course hit subscribe, because the next video could literally change how your face looks forever.